Hey guys, welcome back to It's TV and wishing all of y'all a very Merry Christmas. So as usual, it's Christmas and I thought why not make a Christmas themed video. So in today's video, as you can see, we are going to do an unboxing of a hamper. Okay, hamper, if you all don't know, is basically like a box, or it can be a bucket also, in which you put different things. Now it's a Christmas hamper, so there'll be like Christmas sweets, maybe some card, or maybe some deco also. It's like a gift, a small gift with multiple small gifts which you can give someone for multiple use. There's not only Christmas hampers, there are other type of hampers also in but I can't remember any. And as you may have noticed, this video of mine is in English because I decided I should. So we are going to be unboxing this Christmas hamper which I have received, not sponsored by anyone. It was a gift given, Christmas gift, from one of my friends, and I am going to do an unboxing of it, and y'all can also enjoy it, and we'll have a fun time together unboxing it. So let us begin. So a Christmas hamper is actually one of it's one of the easiest gifts to give anyone. Reason why is you don't need to worry what you're going to pack in the hamper, especially if you don't know what to give a person. So you can just go to a shop, and mostly all the bakery shops, and they provide because they make the sweets. So as you can see, there's always many things in the hamper box. I will take out one at a time. So first we have the most basic thing. It's a cake. This one is a plum cake. So a cake is very important in a hamper by default, a Christmas hamper in Goa, because the cake is one of the most. It's not proper cake. It is sliced cake, you could say. It is one of the most common used items in Goa, dishes wise, and it is very good because it also tastes well. So a plum cake is a type of that, like this ribbon, there's walnut, there is fruits. So this is plum cake. Okay, so as we got the first plum cake, and then we have one of the other common items, the gold coins. This is also chocolate sweet, like it's foiled in gold paper, as you can see. It is also one of the very common things. They mostly come in different sizes. This is kind of large. There's even bigger than this, and there's also smaller than this. But this is like kind of the medium one, you could say, because, and this is very common. It's like a biscuit which has a nice chocolate coating and a very crispy inner. So that is one of the main things that it should be there in your hamper. This is not very common. The chocolate biscuits, especially if you are going to give someone who is like kind of diabetic or doesn't like sweet stuff. But mostly the Christmas hamper is full of sweets. So that's one thing. Then we have a small box of Marzipan. Again, Marzipan is also one of the main things for in Goan Christmas celebration. Marzipan are things like, if you want, I'll make a separate video. If you can see, is it visible? Like there are small fruits inside here, correct? Yeah. So marzipan is basically, as it said, it's made of marzipan, and it's like a smaller sweet dish. They are also made, some of made of sugar, like a jelly type of sugar. But this is also one of the specialties in Goan sweets. Other Goan sweets, if you don't know general knowledge, if you don't know other sweets, maybe Bebinca, Dodol, those are one of the very common ones. If you are Goan watching this, do comment your favorite sweet. And even if not, if you are very abroad, let's tell what yours. Let everyone know like what the different things that are made apart from the turkey. I think that's Thanksgiving, right? Yeah, I bet. So here, as you can see, is Bebinca. Okay, can you see it? Okay, it's like a layer of slices. It is one of my favorite sweet out of all, because it tastes amazing, and it is also, if you hold it, it's kind of more denser than any of the others. The main reason is because it's made of, I don't know what is actually made, but I remember that caramel is put in this, and it's very sweet, and one of the made in Goa type sweets. So it's beautiful and I love it very much. And yeah, so even if it looks small here, it's a small thing because you may say it's very tasty and it's very mouth filling also. Highly recommended if you come ever to Goa to have a bibinka. It's not only Christmas mid season, but it's mostly sold. It's higher. It has a higher selling rate during Christmas. Okay. Then we have here. Now, you won't be able to notice this properly because as you can see, it is covered and it is soft. I'll just show you all. But just to tell you all, this is not how it looks. This is called Dodol, another Goan sweet, as you I can say, because Goan sweets are mostly given to Goans, and we all love this. Dodol is also another type of sweet made in Goa. Also, it's made throughout the year, but highly so gets its highest selling rate is during the Christmas season because it's very used. Even if you go to someone's house in Christmas season, this bibinka and those is one of the main things that are sold. I mean, not sold, given to you as a Christmas. This is also a completely made in Goa type sweet. So I would suggest you all, if you want to know how these two are made, okay, or how any of these are made, especially the Marzipan, if you all want to know, I would suggest you all to check other videos which are there on YouTube. They will mostly be made by Goan creators, so you are also helping them out. So it will be very great for you all. This is just the unboxing I would like to say. As you can see, it is like come out inside because it is kind of soft. So when you squish it, it starts to spread out. So that's also there. And yep, the Christmas tree will be there in all of my videos for kind of till the end of Christmas because it's a Christmas thing after all, and I would like to do it. And now you can see this will end it up with a small type of biscuit. You can say a small type of biscuits which are come. They don't look like biscuits. I know biscuits have a proper definition of them, but they are like made. They are a type you could say. Can't remember the what word to use for them, but they are not sweet. They are just like a marigold biscuit or something like that, or crackers. If you are Goan or Indian, you will know what it means. It's like made like that, and it's like only made in the bakeries. You don't get it outside, and it's only this is a limited edition of Christmas. Even the Mazzipan and the gold coins are like only made during Christmas. Bebinca Dodol are made almost throughout the year, but they are made at more a bigger number. It's produced during the Christmas season, and it's more sold during the Christmas season. The box is over obviously, and the plum cake is means you get different types. There is ribbon, I told you. There is walnut, there is fruit, there is tutti frutti. But it's one of the major parts. So with this, as you can see, we have got one plum cake, a small box of marzipan. I don't know how many are there in it. I think three, four, five. I think six marzipans, two gold coins. If you remember when we started, a bibinka, a piece of dodol, and a small piece of biscuit. With this, I guess the unboxing video comes to an end, guys. Thank you all for watching the video up to here. Do like, share, subscribe, and hope you all are enjoying your Christmas. Today is the 25th of December, as usual. Hope you all enjoy. Hope you all have an amazing Christmas season coming ahead, and hope the new year has something better for us. Because let's agree, we didn't want 2020 how it is, but overall, it's a great year. It's a great season. Thank you all guys for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe. It will help me. If you all want to know how to make Bebinca and Dodol, I think you all should check other Goan creators. You'll just need to type Bebinca is Bebinca and Dodol is Dodol. If you all want to search it out, I think most of the recipe, what ingredients for the recipe are available everywhere. Maybe in different taste you will get it depending where you make it, because it's produced differently, but overall I think there will be a consistency if you want to make such things. Thank you guys again for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe, and share this video to help a creator like me. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.